Molweni, lesson 3. In lesson 2, we covered, you might remember, the student's place of origin using the question usuka pi or lipi ikhaya lakho. Place of residence, uhlala pi was the question. Residential address, ithini I-adresi yakho. Telephone, ithini I-phone number yakho. Email, ithini I-email adresi yakho. Student number, sithini I-student number sakho. Family details, uhlala nabani, with whom do you stay, and then further, ni bangapi ekhaya, how many are there of you at home, with of course the responses to these questions. So in this video then we are going to put it all together and do some revision exercises on both lessons 1 and 2. Right, the first revision exercise then begins with I-adresi yam iti, my address is, or literally says, whatever the address may be. Ithini I-adresi yakho, the question. What is your address? Uhlala ndawoni apha, where exactly do you stay? And we're looking for the translation of the word apha. Here. Kunjani, translated, how is life? I suppose treating you. Molo mnumzana. Molo mnumzana, hello or good day, sir. Molo sisi, hello, young lady. That should read molweni. Molweni manene namanene kazi. Good day. Ladies and gentlemen, but of course, as we mentioned, manene actually refers to the gentlemen and manene kazi to the ladies. So where we say ladies and gentlemen in isiXhosa, we actually say gentlemen and ladies. Molweni nonke, good day. Or everyone. Molweni bafundi, good day. Students. Ndihlala eMonti, I live in East London. Lipi ikhaya lakho. Lipi ikhaya lakho, where is your home? Ndiphilile enkosi, I am well, thanks. Ndiphilile nam, I am also well. Usuka pi, this is incorrect. Where do you come from? Originally, that is. Ndiyavuya ukukwazi, I am pleased to meet you. Although azi literally means to know. So what you are actually saying is, I am pleased to know you, or to get to know you. Ikaya lam lise tinacha, something is in Utenegg. my home. Ndihlala eSummerstrand. I stay in Summerstrand. And eMonti, you come from, as we already had slightly in an earlier question, from East London. Let's make this a capital. Right, the next revision exercise begins off with a very easy question, completing ithini phone number yakho. What is your phone number? Ekhaya, where is that? At home. Emsebenzini, that is at work. Inamba yam iti. My number is. Nceda, phinda, please. Repeat. Unayo, email. Unayo, the translation of unayo is do you have it, namely email. Ewe, ndinayo, yes, I do have whatever it is. Hayi, andinayo, no, I don't have email, as is the reference in this case. Uhlala nabani, uhlala nabani, what is the translation of the word nabani? With whom do you stay? Ndihlala nabazali, with my parents. There is no actual my in the isiXhosa, but by implication you would only be staying with, if you say you're staying with parents, it could only be your own. Ndihlala nomakhulu, I stay with my grandmother. Ndihlala nomakazi, with my aunt, maternal aunt. Ndihlala nomyeni wam, I stay with my husband. Ndihlala nenkosikazi yam, with my wife. Ndihlala nefamily yam, with my family. And we also pointed out that nosapho lwam would also be another way of saying with my family. Ndiyazihlalela, I live on my own, or I fend for myself. Nibangaphi ekhaya, how many are you at home? Ndim ndedwa, it is just or only me or myself. Sibabini, here we are looking for the translation of the bini. We are two in number. And sibane, looking for the translation of the ne, we are four in number. Good. So that concludes this video. Sobonana, we'll be seeing you. Enkosi kakhulu.